Welcome back to Live from the Camper. My name's Tony, and today we're coming to you from Disney's Fort Wilderness Campground. First I made you that delicious ham, then I knocked your socks off with that green bean casserole, and now we're going to make the roasted garlic parmesan potatoes. Man, these are delicious, easy and quick. Let's get right to it. The garlic parmesan potatoes. I cut up 2 regular potatoes and 2 red potatoes, so it's about 1.5 pounds. Dump it in there. Let's put some fresh cracked pepper on there. Hit it with a tablespoon of olive oil. Well, let's not drop the lid in there. Hit it with a tablespoon of olive oil. 1 tablespoon of fresh minced garlic. 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Now let's throw in 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan. Looks a little dry, so let's add a little bit more olive oil. I'm rushing through this video because everybody in here is hungry and they want me to hurry up, so let's do this. Now we're going to bake at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes, but check it after 15. Now after 20 minutes, I gave it a stir. I cooked it 10 more minutes. It needed it. Now let's make it better. Let's drop in 1 tablespoon of butter. Let's stir it up until it's all melted, and then we're done. All right, butter's all melted. Let's get out that plate with that delicious ham, that green bean casserole. Put some of those potatoes right on here. And look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Let's try those taters. Oh, hot. The potatoes are super creamy with a little light crunch on top with the butter and the Parmesan and garlic. That's fantastic. You mix it with that sweet ham and that savory green bean casserole, you got a hit here. So I got one question. Are you hungry? Good, let's eat.